how can you implement automatic references to other sections when referencing a section in the text?
Yeah, let me explain that with another document. So this one has proper automatic numbering set up throughout the entire document. So let's play with the cross references, because that's what the question was really about. So suppose that in this first paragraph, you would want to say, as set forth in clause 1.4, as set forth in, and then instead of manually typing the number 1, a dot, and a 4 on your keyboard, that's the bad way to do it, of course, because as soon as you have another paragraph in the middle, your 1.4 is no longer there. That's not what you want. You want to do this completely automatic. And once your styling and then your automatic numbering is set up, it's actually very easy to do. So you go into References, you click this button, and then you get a little dialog box from which you can then select a target paragraph. So we want to, for example, do a reference towards 1.4. So you go in here and you say insert, boom. By the way, you will typically recognize an automatic number because on most machines, Word is configured to show it with a gray background, and then that it's an automatic number. And this is not the only thing you can do. You could even say, as set forth in 1.4, or let's maybe refer to the title here, number 2. You click on this, you hit insert. In some jurisdictions, they really like to do something in parentheses and maybe even in italic to say also the actual text of the target paragraph. And so instead of inserting the number, you then say, let's insert the paragraph text. And hit insert. See? And now you probably want to make this italic. Now it actually contains the text of that target paragraph. And if you would start to change this, it doesn't automatically update, but once you select everything and then say update field, it will. Okay? So that's the problem. There's a little problem that everybody has struggled with at some point with automatic numbering. And that is that it is not 100% automatic. Back at the time when Word was created, this was already in there in the 1980s, but computers just weren't fast enough to update all the numbering immediately. So they decided in their wisdom to actually not update it automatically, but you have to select the entire text and then hit F9 on your keyboard or right click and say update field. It also tends to update when you print a document, but not when you save. So what you often end up with is automatic numbering in a document that looks out of place, but it's automatic. You just have to select everything, hit update, and then it will update the numbering, and it would even update the text that gets automatically inserted by that cross-reference to the text of the paragraph. What happens if this number 2 here, this paragraph gets deleted? It's gone. So now, okay, the 1.5 and 1.6, they got automatically inserted, but something else will be happening. If you would now update it, you would see this error that everybody knows. Like of course, you are referring to a paragraph that no longer exists. And that's the typical reason why this error is being shown, because it just doesn't make sense anymore. It referred to something that no longer exists in the document. By the way, if you want to update this or want to know whether these kinds of error exists in your document, it's just one of these many features that we can show you automatically, where we say in the proofreading, it will go through your document. It will check whether all your definitions are in the definition list and so on. But it will also show you that there is an invalid cross-reference. So it knows this before you would hit update. So it warns you that there is an invalid cross-reference. And of course, we knew this in advance, but you typically do not know this for 80 pages until you have printed it in 10 copies and your boss finds out.